Hi, so today new word is congenial. Congenial simply means as a person pleasing or like on account of having quality of interest that are similar to one's own. A person or pleasing or like on an account of having a quality or interest that are similar to one's own. Let's have a look at a few synonyms here. There are pleasant, pleasing, to one's liking, agreeable, enjoyable. Let's have a look at a few antonyms here. There are disagreeable, pleasureless, unpleasable, unpleasant, and unwelcome. Let's have a look at a few examples here. Number 1. Compost provides congenial conditions for roots to develop. Number 1. Compost provides congenial conditions for roots to develop. Number 2. Looking back, the hotline was congenial place to nail down the business. Looking back, the hotline was congenial place to nail down the business. Number 3. He did not find the day-to-day life of professional journalists congenial. He did not find the day-to-day life of a professional journalist congenial. Number 4. Joe was a very congenial colleague. Joe was a very congenial colleague. Number 5. I find this aspect of my job particularly congenial. I find this aspect of my job particularly congenial.